I'm standing in one of the most exclusive corners of London. Even here, the cars people have spent hundreds of thousands of pounds on are not being looked after properly. And that's not because the owners don't care, but because they just don't have the time. It's the first thing to get scrapped, replaced by the hustle and bustle of running a busy life. Proper vehicle management requires time and effort that most people just don't have. That's why I created Carcierge, to take that responsibility off your hands. One person responsible for your car and all your automotive needs. So for example, let's say you needed some bodywork repair, organised and overseen, or rotation of your weekender out of storage, prepped and ready for the journey ahead. Let's say you needed your car to meet you at the airport, or just someone that you trust to drive you home at night. Carcierge does exactly that. It's a resource each month, ready for you and whatever your needs are. So if you think this will help you, give me a call.